like it.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay, so we moved these. Now let's
nope. Yeah.
honor. I want to wipe these files. Is what I want to do with on air. Actually, it should be just inside the login all, shouldn't it? Because anytime I say login everybody, it should just be like, all right, we're gonna, well, that means we're starting fresh. Um, just gonna clear that
Yeah.
file. It's that's because the login all does not. Oh no, it does. It'll run over to the login file here. I think I want to put in like a status message of whether they're logged in or not. Um, so let's do that just so that we can cover that. What is it? I'm drawing a blank. I haven't put in a status message in a minute. Twitch API has a lot of those. Echo. God, Echo. Then the color. ST. Alright.
Open the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay down.
I don't remember what color was what, so let's try 4 and go from there.
Do it again. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Open the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay down straight.
What? Son of a bitch. There's the problem right here.
9, 10.
I want to see. I'm going to give it a minute to see if any of you guys have been paying attention and can recognize what's wrong here.
One more time. 1, 2. Buckle
Where?
my shoe.
I'm giving you a hint. I'm highlighting.
4,
I'm showing you where it's wrong. Now, why is it wrong? And I've also highlighted why it's wrong though too.
6, 7, 8. Lay down straight.
This is looking at this file. Olivia, stop it! You're knocking over all my cans. Now I know that these cans probably shouldn't be here, but that doesn't negate the fact that you shouldn't knock them over. They're my empty Pepsi cans. So the reason why it's wrong, though, guys, is that the file holds channel.nickname. That's what it's looking for. The file looks for channel.nickname, and we are now saying, read the INI file, check this, read the INI file, check that file I just opened, then look underneath the logged in section. Ooh, I just moved some text. Okay. Then look underneath the logged in section, which is, I just showed it. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, I'm looking in the wrong. This is actually the wrong file. But it's the same thing applies. Logged on, boom, okay. We're still doing hashtag Scarlet Rever dot. That's channel name dot username. So check underneath logged on, and then we're saying look for $1. $1 is the nickname. It's not the. We need to be looking for a login user. That's why it's allowing duplicates here. Now, everything after that is still logging in and putting in the right information. It's all using login user. So no, we're not actually dropping $1 in to the login file. Otherwise, if we were doing $1 in there, it would start showing up with some of them without the hashtag Scarlet Rever dot. So that's what's wrong here.
Coding is sometimes cruel.
Yeah. So that's probably our only problem, really. Now, I still want to go and put in the status message so we can say, all right,
I spent about 3 hours today to try to recreate the follower page for the forum, like I had it on the screenshot.
Oh yeah.
Didn't get it. Now we have a different solution, and it's called the FIS.
Oh yeah. What? Oh, the
follower
follow.
information system.
Okay. Just drew a blank. Oh, I was gonna look up the color codes. Let's just test it. What could go wrong? Okay, so there's that. Anything else there? We don't need the greeting thing. It is made open. Timers. We'll need timers later. So I'm already logged in, so it didn't even call any of this stuff here at all. As far as the log out, I'm reluctant to call it that because I think it's going to log everybody out. Let me see what I can do there. Okay, here, logout users .1. I think that's because I passed it the right thing. Initially, I was supposed to be passing it the right thing. Where are we getting logout user for? Okay, this seems to be BS. Okay, no. It's grabbing the logout user from the file, and since it's grabbing it from the file, that's LTT. That's this, which is why I'm doing it this way, so it can remember everybody that has got in here and pull them out one at a time. So it's going to loop through the file and log out each individual person. So in theory, that logs out everybody, and that's why we're decreasing here, because it's going to decrease and then loops through and and keeps doing that until we hit 0, and then we're done. That way we're not on an endless loop.
Daddy,
So that calls
you're not
logout.
allowed to run up the clock again.
I'm not. Okay. Now that's an alias, so we're leaving it there, but I don't know. So it's running the logout, but then we also have the logout command here, which just loops through there and tries to find Okay, we didn't ever change this, so it's still trying to log out everybody. Yes, it is doing that. So I can either log out a specific person, or just type log out, and it logs out everybody. It is an log out by itself is a log out all. Log out should be log out self. But right now, that at least tells me what I can do to test this. That means I can use log out Scarlet Rever. Before I type that, we're going to look at the file. One more time, we're going to close all that. We're going to say log out text, log out INI, and we're even going to look at Twitch users INI and see that my last logout was at 221. It's now 237. Yes, I'm in here. I'm logged in. Where I got 13 people. Now it's going to be 14 with Lusket, who just came in. So when I log out and we open these files up again, it should be 13 still. How you doing, Lusket? So I'm logged out. Now we're going to just test this. Going in and see Twitch user INI again. I did log out at 37.
And you didn't delete me out of the login.
Okay, that's great. You tested that quickly. That's good. Logged in text. 13 has Lusket, does not have me. INI. 13 has Lusket, does not have me. Yeah, I like upside down cake. Why wouldn't I like upside down cake? Silly.
I like upside down cake too.
Okay, so we can close all those. And now, we're going ahead and go log in again. And I logged in manually. And we were supposed to be watching it here too. Okay, there's the login for that. The log out. Yeah, points added. And then a little bit later we did the log out. Okay. All that's happening, but where's this? Okay, that's the follower thing. Login. Scarlet Rever is not logged in. Okay. Now the thing is, if I do off air, will it clear everybody? Nice.
So wait, stay on off air. Okay, I wanna try to lock me in while you're off air.
Oh, I just went on air. Hold on. I didn't catch what you were saying. But that is doing what it's supposed to now. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, yeah. Wait, is that one too many? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,